Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about 5 products that I've been using quite a lot lately to help me get the smoothest, most flawless, most best prepped skin possible before my makeup application. Prepping your skin before makeup application is so important. In fact, I remember a couple of years ago watching some behind the scenes footage of one of the fashion shows that gets put on every year in New York and Paris and all these other places around the world. And what the makeup artist was doing with the models was spending all of their time, almost all of the time that they had for makeup application on skin prep. They spend, 20 minutes prepping the skin and maybe 5 or 10 slapping on a little bit of makeup to go for the models to go out onto the runway. Skin care and skin prep was most important. So I have 5 products I want to talk to you about, and we're going to get into it right now. First, I'm going to talk to you about the newest addition to my prep and prime arsenal, and it is something that I want to kick myself for not getting into sooner because it's been around for forever. But I always thought, as an oily girl, combo oily girl, it wasn't for me and it would make me look a hot mess. Absolutely not. The complete opposite. And I'm so happy that I finally purchased the MAC Strobe Cream. And this is in the gold light version. And I'm actually kind of okay with having waited so long because I ended up getting this one specifically because their original one did have a pink shift to it, and I have a yellow golden undertone to my skin. So that was another reason why I never gravitated towards it, because it was very pink. And this is, of course, golden, as the name suggests, and it looks so beautiful on the skin, really beautiful. I have it on today, and I'm wearing powder foundation, and that is my #1 go-to foundation choice on the day-to-day. I'm not doing liquids or creams. I'm just not. For everyday life, I'm going to my powder foundation. And I found using this underneath it just gave my powder foundation life, because whenever I use my powder foundation, normally before purchasing this, I would always look very, very flat. But not anymore. Using this gives me that life to my skin. I'm not wearing any highlighter. There's no highlighter on my face. This glow is from this and possibly a little bit from the bronzer that I have on, because it's not a completely matte bronzer. But this is incredible. I understand now why so many pros use it, and regular everyday men and women love using it. Even by itself, when you don't want to put any makeup on, you can slap this on and have a beautiful, healthy glow to your skin that everyone will be asking you, what is on your face? You're glowing. MAC Strobe Cream. Next is my baby that I've had for quite some time now, and again, took me quite a while to get into it. It is a cult favorite. Everybody talks about it, everybody uses it, but I, again, thought that it wasn't for me and my oily skin, but it is. Oily girls and guys out there, get you some Embryo. It is a beautiful moisturizer. It is classified as a moisturizer, but so many pro makeup artists love using this to prep the skin before makeup application. So it is acting as a little bit of a primer as well. It is beautiful. It is definitely a hybrid type of a product. When you put it on the skin, it feels like a cross between a lotion, a cream, and a balm. It's not quite as thick as a standard, facial cream, facial moisturizer, but it's not as thin as some of the more watery type of foundations, and it's also not as goopy as, a balm, a lip balm, or or a hair pomade type of consistency, that type of a balm. It is all of those things all rolled into one, and I really, really enjoy using this before makeup application because it doesn't make me any greasier, any extra shinier than I would normally be, and makeup lays on top of it just perfectly. Next, again, is another cult favorite that's been around for forever, and it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Everybody knows about this one. I have had it for a very long time. It is oil-free. It helps you to smooth out your entire face. Makeup goes on top of it beautifully. It just glides on. Your skin feels like silk when you apply this, and it is a cult favorite and has been around for so long for a reason. So many people use this primer because it just gets the job done. I've never really heard of anyone breaking out from it, any adverse type of reactions, nothing like that. It just really helps to prepare your skin for makeup and keep your makeup looking the best that it can. I'm gonna talk about these last two together because they do come from the same brand and the same lineup of primers, and it is the Makeup Forever Step 1. And these are the two smaller travel sizes of the smoothing primer and the mattifying primer. And of course, as the name suggests, the smoothing one helps to completely smooth out any textures or bumps, lumps, any unevenness on your skin so makeup lays down beautifully. And the mattifying one, of course, helps to control all that oil coming out of our pores, especially in the T-zone, and especially now when the temperatures are rising every day. A mattifying primer, for me personally, is very much essential. And ever since Makeup Forever came out with this lineup, and they have a complete lineup, they have a moisturizing primer, they have a color correcting primer, they have a whole range of different ones to suit your particular needs. And they have knocked everybody's socks off since they came out with these. Everybody loves them for good reason because they are very high quality. They absolutely get the job done. And they are just really amazing primers to help make your makeup look great and also last throughout the day. So that's it, guys. Those are my 5 products that I have been loving lately that help to really give your skin the best prep for makeup and help your makeup to look its best and last all day long. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, hit that notification bell so you are always notified every time I do upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.